Switching to LED lighting during new home construction is one of the fastest ways to cut energy use and long-term maintenance while improving light quality. Start by selecting high color rendering index LED lamps of at least 90 to preserve accurate colors in kitchens and bathrooms, and specify color temperatures by task area, for example 3000 Kelvin for general living, 2700 Kelvin for cozy areas, and 4000 Kelvin for focused work surfaces. Choose dimmable fixtures and confirm driver compatibility with common dimmer types by checking the lamp and dimmer manufacturer notes. Then test a sample circuit before full installation to avoid flicker and limited dimming range. For recessed conversions, pick integrated IC rated LED modules to ensure safe insulation contact and consistent thermal management. Remove old trim and drivers, fit the module to the housing, and seal gaps to maintain attic air barrier and insulation performance. Where flexibility is desired, install tunable white smart bulbs or drivers and create scenes that combine brightness and color temperature so occupants can switch between task, ambient, and night settings without rewiring. Pay attention to lumen output rather than wattage when matching replacement lamps, and aim for equivalent lumen levels from incandescent or compact fluorescent references to preserve intended light levels. Finally, plan circuits with a mix of switched and unswitched feeds for ceiling fixtures so future controls like occupancy sensors or centralized lighting panels can be added without tearing out finished walls. Common mistakes include choosing low-color rendering index lamps that make finishes look flat or skin tones inaccurate, which you avoid by insisting on CRI 90 or higher and validating sample fixtures on site. Another frequent issue is installing non-dimmable or incompatible drivers that cause flicker and poor dimming. So always procure dimmable rated drivers, test with the intended dimmer, and document compatibility for the electrician. A third concern is using non-IC rated retrofit modules in insulated ceilings, which risks overheating and building code failures. So convert recessed cans to certified IC rated LED modules and maintain proper air sealing around the fixture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like LED lighting retrofit by helping us find local professionals and allowing contractors to reach motivated customers. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips and product experiences so both homeowners and tradespeople can learn from each other.